All right, y'all, we're going to give this a shot here. So I got the chords up, and you'll have the PDF in, whatchamacallit, the service planner. Planning Center, that's what it's called. Okay, this is a song I wrote. It does not mean we're going to do it, so definitely don't spend too much time on this, but at least to give you an indication before Sunday of what we're looking at. It's still a bit in process, but we'll try this. I needed you, but I tried so hard to fight it, Lord. But you always knew me better than I do. You fought for me through every shadow that I went through. When I thought that I was in control, you rescued me, you restored my soul. And I will fear no evil. I will fear no evil. 'Cause you are with me. You are with me. You are with me. I will fear no evil. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. Hounds of heaven chasing after me, with goodness and mercy running after me. Powers on earth, the principalities, no angels or demons have a hold on me. Nor height, nor depth, nor life, nor death, past, nor present, nor eternity. Nothing in creation can come between your love for me. Love for me. Love for me. And I will fear no evil. I will fear no evil. 'Cause you are with me. You are with me. You are with me. I will fear no evil. I will fear no evil. Something like a dish.